2, 3, well, it's 3 o'clock. In the morning, double vision with my homies, 4 o'clock. Feeling funny, got no car, we got no money.
Sheridan Lake on the north side now. We made a big old climb to the top up here, making a real good time. It's only been an hour since I left and I'm almost done with Sheridan Lake. I'm trying to haul ass so I don't have to sit up in the dark. That water source is quite a ways away. Crossing my fingers she's good. Woo-wee! I am getting ranked, dude. I think next lake we come up to, this big one coming up, I don't know the name of it. I think I'm gonna take a dip in it, get cleaned up. Can't have showers, I'll just fucking get in the lake like everybody's been telling me to. Really don't know how it happened, but I turn off and on my cell phone in between every use to conserve battery, and I just turned that son of a bitch on, and Avenza Maps, the app that I'm using to navigate, tells you where all the water sources are, tells you where all the camping areas are, tells you every bit of info that you need to know about this trail is deleted from my phone somehow. Don't know how the hell that happened, but guess I'm on my own, huh? That might have been the coolest shit I've ever seen. A whole fucking herd of elk, dude. I saw the one, I thought it'd be a cow. And then it took off running and then they did their calls or whatever, man. I tried to get it on camera, I don't know if I got it. Off in the distance, you could just see like 50 of them go running, dude. That was so cool.
From the last time we met, your love was
Just coming down the hill here, ran into some mountain bikers, man. They were going up the hill, and I did the stupid thing, start a conversation with them. I'm a road biker in the past, so I know how it is pedaling up a steep ass hill. You gotta give it all you can. So they stopped, got to talk to them for a bit. So they're going Black Hills Expedition. Not sure what that entitles, but real cool seeing some other people out here that aren't just out for the casual horse stroll. They said the same thing to me that I've been learning is get water when you can, man. That's the biggest struggle out here. It is far and few, man. It really is. Never had to ration water as hard as I am, but polar opposites. Superior hiking trail, there's too much water. Here there's not enough. They also told me there was another northbounder, probably another 30 miles ahead of me, 20-30 miles. So that's real cool knowing that there's another person out here doing it. I know I'll never catch him, but it just seems like a super sparse trail, so it doesn't seem like you would see a lot of people through hiking it, judging from the amount of people that I've seen so far. There ain't no one hiking except for your casual tourists or on the tourist destinations. So that's cool. Makes it more fun, makes it more isolated. I mean, I like it both ways, but I'm having fun with it this way, so it's good. It's good stuff. It's good to be out here. I love it.
I know that you tried, but you know, friend of mine, falling apart. You played it the best a day.
Tiny creek. Went by it. I'm gonna get ballsy here. I got a leader yet. Rationed it really well. I'm gonna go another 3 miles in the next one. Hope it ain't dried up. But it's getting just about 6 o'clock here. So we're gonna be hiking late, setting up late. Something I've never done. Well, better get used to it, huh?
Yeah, it wasn't easy to be.
Good news, boys. We got cattle troughs. Fuck yeah. Beats it hot or nothing. I'm gonna get water out of this fucking cattle trough. Oh man, I'm stoked. And then I'm gonna find a fucking place to camp. Oh, sweet Jesus, look at this beautiful bastard. Woo! Here we go. Dad, you're really gonna like this one, all right? Check this out. You ready? We'll go from the source. Oh, look at that little booger hanging out there. Oh, yeah. Well, got water, huh? Looks good enough to me. Out of place, leave my pack down there. See what we can't find. Pretty nice up there. Covered in cow shit though. I think filter out, guzzle as much as I can, fill that 3-liter bag back up, and we'll hike somewhere. See what we can't find. That's heavy, bitch. I got my water, got my water, I got my water, water. And then I got my water, I'm hiking out of there, and another biker comes up, mountain biker, and he's part of that crew, man. And he says, oh, Dan was up here. I gotta say hey to Dan when he comes over the hill. So, man, it's cool seeing other people out here doing something similar to what I'm doing. After 4 days of seeing no one. But yeah, gotta find somewhere to camp now.
Sailing for the tides.
Sounds foolish, but this is the hardest part. Finding a damn place to set up camp. I struggle with it. Just tell me where to camp, damn it. The wind's picking up real good, so I figure if I had a windbreak, it'd be ideal.
Oh, but I'll light and I'll lie away.
There's that boy down there. His old piano. And the man.
And to keep.
Guys, I got a Benz back. That's cool. man, it is so fucking beautiful.
Forgive me for I am not acting myself, but these bees in my breath have to come out.
I think I found some cover from the wind there, guys. If I set up here, this little guy, huh? I think he'll do it. I think he'll do the trick, right?
Will you give me no reason to doubt your word, but I still
Just gonna go up there. That's it. Going up there. Hopefully we're safe from the wind and find a place.
forgive me for I am not acting myself, but these bees in my breath have to come out.
Perfect.
As I walk down the road of old St. Augustine, I recall a choir singing in some orchard. Well, the tighter you hold, yeah, they're still gonna go until all you remember is the courtship. Well, I know I was far from perfect, but I was just dying to drain all my bad blood, all my bad blood, all my bad blood.
I will shut the door and I'll sit there and mourn for the person that I used to be. Well, I was first on the call, but now I'm sick of it all. I'm just sick of it all.
Packed up pretty quick. Eating took me the longest. We're saying goodbye to, as of up to this point, my favorite part of the trail. Those hills back there, the sun cresting them, the atmosphere of the powerful winds, just everything about this location. Holy shit, I am in awe. Love it. Goodbye.
Well, it doesn't seem right to keep it bottled up on the inside. Well, if you wanna cry, I let you down and I cried on the inside. Well, it's not what it seems.
I'm gonna go ahead and guess that this number 55 means mile 55. Cool, 55 miles down. Let's go.
They ran away and they turned against me. Where did I go? Where did I go? Where did I? I will shut the door and I'll sit there and mourn for the person that I used to be. Well, I was first on the call, but now I'm sick of it all. I'm just sick of it all. I'm just sick of it all. Sick of it all. I'm just sick of it all. Well, I was first on the call, but now I'm sick of it all. I'm just sick of it all. Sick of it all. I'm just sick of it all. Sick of it all.
Just hit Bush Creek trailhead there. The creek had some water in it. That was cool. I'm making some good progress today. We're heading up to Pactola Lake up here. I imagine it's going to be a lot of ups and downs to get there, but it's about 5 miles or so. So we should be there in no time. I bet before noon we'll be there. Yeah, can't wait to get there. Crossing my fingers, they got like an outlet outside their visitor center. It says it's got a visitor center, but I don't think it's open anymore. We're on the search for an outlet. We're gonna keep looking for one. Holy Christ, I don't know that I've ever seen so much water. You guys seeing this stream right here? Holy shit. Well, might as well filter some, man. The gondor all set up, you know, they're just everywhere. When they need aid, goddamn, they're gonna be ready, I tell you. Woo-wee! Damn it, don't you think somebody could come out here with a hedge trimmer once in a while? Fuck! This is bullshit! Hey, look at that. It's a pretty nice stream.
I am not supposed to be upset and I want to share that I'm with.
Looks like the lake's probably on the other side of that, huh? Yeah, power lines, I don't know. Maybe there's electricity.
Show you all they truly feel is just the bear. I am not supposed to be upset and I want to share that I'm running down in circles. I was running down in circles. I am running down in circles. I'll be running down you again.
Thank you. Thank you, whoever put this here. Thank you.